Welcome to Sanatan Dharma. Today we go on a journey into the ancient wisdom of the Yajur Veda, one of the four sacred texts of Sanatan Dharma. Today, we will explore its unique structure and significance. The Yajur Veda is a crucial text in the Vedic tradition, primarily composed of hymns and mantras used in rituals and ceremonies. It's divided into two main recensions, the Shukla Yajur Veda and the Krishna Yajur Veda. Let's start with the Shukla Yajur Veda. The Shukla Yajur Veda, also known as the White Yajur Veda, is distinguished by its clear and organized structure. It consists of two main branches, the Madhyandina and the Kanva. This recension includes two primary components, the Sanghita and the Brahman. The Sanghita, or Vajasani Sanghita, contains 40 chapters of hymns and formulas used in rituals. The Brahman, known as the Shatabda Brahman, offers extensive commentary and explanations of these rituals, guiding practitioners in their performance. Now, let's move on to the Krishna Yajur Veda, or the Black Yajur Veda, which presents a more complex structure. The Krishna Yajur Veda intersperses prose explanations, called Brahmanas, with the verses of the Sanghita, creating a unique blend. It has several branches, including the Taittiriya, Maitrayani, Katha, and Kapisthala. The Sanghita, such as the Taittiriya Sanghita, integrates hymns and prose passages. The Brahman texts, like the Taittiriya Brahman, provide detailed explanations of the rituals. Additionally, the Krishna Yajur Veda includes the Aranyaka and Upanishad texts. The Aranyakas, such as the Taittiriya Aranyaka, focus on the mystical and symbolic aspects of the rituals. The Upanishads, like the Taittiriya Upanishad, delve into philosophical and spiritual teachings. In summary, the Yajur Veda structure can be seen as follows. Each recension and branch of the Yajur Veda offers unique insights and practices, contributing to the rich tapestry of Vedic literature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Yajur Veda. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into ancient wisdom. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Namaste.